Hi everyone. So today we are dropping by at Farm Chokchai and we are bringing our kids here and we are going to show you a few places you can go around this area in Pakchong. We are here today on a weekday, so it's not so crowded, not so packed. As you can see here, usually in the weekends it will be packed, it will be full. So there are lots of sheep here. There's some cows. There's also there's flower gardens here. There's some horses. So these are the opening hours. Tuesday to Sunday, 9:30 to 5. It's same on Saturdays and Sundays and holidays. So they close on Mondays. Yeah.
You go and stand there. You go and stand there. Okay, you can.
Yes.
Anderson also can, I think, this time. You go and call Anderson. You say, Anderson, come.
เสียเงินซื้อบาทเท่าไหร่ครับคนละ100คนละ100แล้วเด็กๆไม่ต้องใช่ไหม
I am until here.
How about you? You stand here? Oh, you are until here. How about Papa?
So high.
So high.
Yeah, you are there. You're there.
Okay.
Start until there. You are until there.
Aaron, we are going on the ATV, alright?
What ATV?
So we're going to take the monster truck.
Okay.
And the monster truck is 330 baht. It's a UTV, huh? UTV คืออะไรครับ
ATV จะเป็นเหมือนรถยนต์ค่ะ
อ๋อ
ใช่ค่ะ
นั่งได้
ก็จะเป็นเกียร์ออโต้
นั่งได้กี่คน
นั่งได้2 ท่านค่ะ
สอง
ผู้ปกครอง
ท่าน
1 ท่านเด็ก1 ท่านนะคะ
โอเคครับ
แต่ว่า UTV จะไม่ได้เข้าไปด้านในฟาร์มนะคะ จะอยู่แค่บริเวณรอบนอกนะคะ
โอเคครับ Aaron, we have to go and take our helmets now. Okay?
Okay. Here.
Yes, here. But you have to wear this head cover.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. Yeah. I am wearing
Yes, we are ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
My face is like.
Oh, this side. Come. Aaron, are you excited? Oh, so this is the one. This one. Get in there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Aaron, let's go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
มีเกียร์ไหมเอาไปออโต้ขับยังไงอ่ะว้าว Oh. we're going one more round. Okay, we enjoy the view here, okay? Wow. Aaron, look here. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
High five.
That was all the way there.
Let's go and see the cows again. Let's go and see the cows.
The cow was here by the back, and you fly up the mountain, and you would die down.
Look at those cows.
Look.
This is chilling out. So happy. Okay, let's go. Are you ready to go back?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye bye cows.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We went off road. Oh. Okay, faster, faster. You like fast? You controlling? Okay, you control. Wow, wow, wow. Going so fast. Uh-oh. Control, control. Alright, we are back here. You have fun, Aaron?
Yeah. Ugh.
Come. Aaron, look here.
The gear.
Oh, those are the gears, yeah. Yeah.
Like the bicycle.
Oh, like the bicycle gears, right? Uh-huh. Okay. Ah.
And motorbike.
Now you can put it inside. Okay, thank you. Khap.
I am sweating out hot. Plus I wear there.
You're sweating, yeah. I'm sweating too. I'm sweating too. Weather is really nice today.
That's fast. That's why I went out of the grass.
When you go in, it's 100 baht per person per adult, and then for the kids are free. Okay.
OK，
Hello.
能好报计算。
แล้วอันนี้อะไรบ้างครับ So you can drive your car in. Take a
Huh?
look at this. You can drive your car in. It's 100 baht. As she is saying, 100 baht. You can drive your car in. You can take the tractor It's 120 baht. Oh, tractors are only on the Saturdays and Sundays, only weekends.
Oh.
So today, if you want to go in, you have to drive your car in.
Oh.
Yeah. Or we can walk in. No, don't die, man. Okay, Aaron, get your grass. Say thank you.
ลูกค้าก็เดินเข้าไปตรงนี้ได้นะคะ มีสวนสัตว์ตรงนี้
Okay, ครับ
I can feed all. So one get budget.
Yeah, let's go in from this side. You want to feed from? No, you have to go in and feed. Let's go.
But they will bite me.
No, they won't bite you. Don't worry.
I just throw everything and then go.
No. Don't throw it.
Now can you carry me?
Don't worry, Aaron. Hey, come.
Yo, I'm going to
Come. You're a big boy. You scared?
Yeah, here.
Let's go.
The sheep will bite you.
The sheep won't bite you. Come. Come on, Aaron. Come on. Come on. Aaron, you have to come in. You look, Anderson is over there. Yeah, you left your grass here, yeah? And you finished it all. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Can you go and take your grass?
Oh, I'm too scared.
Why are you scared? Let's go. Let's go in.
When you say like that, I will close my eyes.
Okay, close your eyes. We're going
What are you
in.
doing? You're stepping on the rain. And it's a dirty water.
It's to clean your. Come in. All right. Come on in.
I just gave.
Okay, bye.
I think that thing can eat you.
No. Come on. Hi. Come on in, Aaron. Come on in.
Papa,
Come here.
film it.
Look at this. Wow, this is so nice. Come on in.
I just run.
Let's look at Anderson. Look.
You're never.
Can you look for Anderson? View is so nice. Hi.
I want to come down.
You wanna come down? Come here. Okay. Let me get you down. You're stuck on the tractor. You're stuck on the tractor. Come.
I want help from me.
Okay, Papa, you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can come down. I Papa, you come down. Yeah, let's go. Oh, look at the poo poo. Sheep poo poo. Go step on the sheep poo poo. Hey, there's a door here.
I already coming. Okay. I already inside. Hello. Guys.
You can sit on this swing. You can sit on the swing here. Let me help you. Yeah, come on. Okay.
Baba,
Yes. Sit properly.
how come the one can't?
Okay, hold
So
hold
smooth.
hold on.
Where Mama? Where Mama?
Mama is at the other side.
Go with me. Do that.
Higher?
Yeah. Okay. I am
Wow.
sure.
Look at that. Wow. You can do that? You sure? You're too young. You're not young.
You don't know how to do this. Come.
Okay,
You want to try.
Titi, your turn.
Him.
Okay. Do you know how to go up?
I
You just stand here. Okay, come. Aha. No, it's not broken. This is. This is a John Deere. Oh, there's another tractor there. Yeah. Oh, that tractor is broken. Yeah.
This
This is not broken, right?
not broken.
Okay. Where's Aaron? Aaron is. So there are many spots to take pictures and for kids to play around. They can play with the ships, they can play with these tractors, they can even have go on rides on the ATV, and there's many spots for nice Instagrammable pictures. I recommend to come on a slightly cloudy day. It's rather cooling now. Well, if you guys like this video, like the content I'm putting out, please press the like button and remember to subscribe. I'll be making more of this kind of travel content with children, going around Thailand. Wherever I go, I'll just create a small video on what I do, and I'll give you guys tips on traveling with kids in Thailand.
I hear
We're back here with this boy.
I hear Mama sound.
Yes,
already.
come. Let's go and look for Mama, alright?
No, Mama's that side.
Yeah. You wanna go and look for Mama?
Island.
You wanna go and look for Mama?
Okay.
What? Here. Oh, you're gonna climb over?
I'm going to turn over.
Alright.
I can. Can you do this?
Can you jump down?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Huh.
But I need to.
Oh, look at that.
start over again.
That's the field of flowers. And there's sunflowers over there. Yes. I think they're over there. Let's go. So this is what Khao Yai is like. Really peaceful, beautiful, and really nice mountains from far away. Alright, so that sums up this section of Farm Chokchai. You can actually take your car and drive it in, just as in the start I was talking about, for the same price. But if you come on the weekends, you can sit on the tractor and they will bring you all the way in. So after this we are gonna head to the ice cream shop. They have really nice milk and ice cream. We're gonna head there. Farm Chokchai also has a nice steakhouse and also a burger house where you have these steak burgers. Really good burgers out there. Alright, so I'll see you in the ice cream shop. You want to touch the sheep? Ice cream! What is this?
This is the real.
This is a well.
The real one or fake one?
No, there's no water inside.
The fake one.
Okay, let's go. You have to wash your hand. So I've come to this area. This is all the shops and the restaurants are here. And there are lots of shops here. We're gonna get some ice cream. Ice cream ครับ เอาไอศครีมครับ
ใส่ถ้วยหรือว่าคนดีคะมีทั้งหมด9รสชาติค่ะ
ใส่ถ้วยนะครับ
สแกนด้านนี้ได้หรือก็เข้าไปที่เราไปชาร์จเป็นชาร์จที่ไหนอันนี้ด้วยเหรอเต็มแล้วแหละ
เอา
รับเป็นอะไรอยู่
ตัวเกรปจูสองุ่น
70
Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe and we'll see you again next time. Cheers. one. You hold properly.